Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. Friends, the puzzle which we get you today is a bit tricky puzzle but it's very interesting. Puzzle has many hidden elements which you have to judge carefully while solving it. So let's start. Before jumping to the final solution, let's try solving the puzzle together within the time frame of 30 seconds. And please pause the video and zoom in to identify the hidden elements easily. And please put your answers in the comment section. Your 30 seconds starts now. Three, two, one, stop. Hope you all enjoyed solving the puzzle. Let's begin to see the correct answer. Let's jump into our first equation. The first equation has maximum hidden elements. All the images present in this first equation are same. Let us consider our first image. It has a man holding a camera on one hand and on other hand he has shampoo bottle. He has one shampoo bottle on his shirt pocket, and on looking very carefully we'll see one shampoo bottle is also present inside his left pocket. Here. So you have to zoom in to see it very carefully. And their sum is equal to 45. On solving this, we will get 3 into men with shampoo and camera is equal to 45. So man with shampoos and camera is equal to 15. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation, we have 4 cameras. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So sum is equal to 24. On solving this, we will get 4 into 1 camera is equal to 24. So camera value comes out to be 6. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation, we have 6 shampoo bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 12. On solving this, we will get 6 into 1 shampoo bottle equal to 12. So 1 shampoo bottle value comes out to be 2. Now jumping on to our fourth equation. Now we have to look our fourth equation very carefully. Here the first image has 1 shampoo and the value of shampoo is equal to 2, which I have written here. Plus there is a man present, but he is not holding bottles and camera on his hand. Neither he has the shampoo bottles on his pocket. So he is the man without any shampoo and camera into 2 cameras. So now putting value of man without shampoo and camera. So man with shampoos and camera value is equal to 15. And if he is not holding anything, then we have to minus out that item from this image. So minus 6, that is value of camera. Minus 2, that is value of shampoo he is holding on his one hand. Minus 2, the value of shampoo which is present inside his shirt pocket. And again minus 2, which is present inside his pant pocket. Into 2 cameras. 1 camera value equal to 6. So 2 camera will be 6 plus 6. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to solve the bracket followed by division, multiplication, addition, and in the end it's subtraction. So here in this equation we have 2 brackets, 1 and 2, and we have to solve these brackets first. So on solving the bracket we will get 3 into 12. Now we have to do the multiplication. That will be 3 into 12 equal to 36. And now we have to add this 36 with 2. So value comes out to be 38. And we have solved the puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. If you liked the puzzle, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to your favorite channel for latest puzzles and solutions. You can also follow us on Insta and Facebook, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.